Welcome to 207 Rose Street right here in Auburndale, Florida. This cozy 3-bedroom home has an oversized backyard, perfect for entertaining, and it's just down the road from downtown Auburndale. Come take a look. If you are looking for a charming small town vibe, perfectly nestled between the excitement of Orlando and the culture of Tampa, this is the perfect home for you. Call me today to schedule your private showing. I'm Louisa with the Erica Diaz team. Thanks for watching.